first day as a judge in the Orphan's Court of Carroll County. This is terrific. I've always been involved in some type of process, from the FBI and my experiences with law enforcement. So from the legal perspective and aspects, I've always been involved. And this provides me a direct opportunity to impact upon the lives of the citizens of Carroll County. My previous experiences from the law enforcement perspective, even though it's a contribution, it approaches assistance from a negative side, where you're investigating crimes and whatnot. This allows me an opportunity to impact on people during a period of time in their lives where there's been a death. There are legal issues, there's sensitive issues, there's family matters that come into play, and it's at that point where they intersect with the judicial process.
Stand, please.
My intent is to try to make that as pleasurable an experience as possible.
I, and state your name, please.
I, Charles E. Harrison,
Do swear or affirm
do swear or affirm
that I will support
that I will support
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States,
and that I will be faithful
and that I will be faithful
and bear true allegiance
and bear true allegiance
to the state of Maryland
to the state of Maryland,
and support the Constitution
and support the Constitution
and laws thereof.
and laws.
How does it feel to be the first Black member of the Orphan's Court in Carroll County?
It is just not an issue, because the issue should be what I contribute. I bring to the court certain sensitivities from being a minority, certain sensitivities of being reared and growing up in an area of racial segregation, and its impact. So I know that experience. But you should not be in a position to let that experience color your judgment or how you approach things. Things that I've experienced, my daughters have not experienced. And you can't move forward carrying a lot of baggage.
And that I will,
to
the best of my skill and judgment,
the best of my skill and judgment,
diligently and faithfully,
without
partiality or prejudice, execute the office of Judge of the Carroll County Orphans Court according to the Constitution and laws of the state, and that I will not directly or indirectly receive the profits or any part of the profits of any other office during my term as Judge of the Carroll County Orphans Court. Congratulations.
My family is accustomed to the things that we do. I have a very proactive family. My wife, Virginia, is on the school board, and I think she's a member of almost every committee I can think of, be it charitable, nonprofits. In the past, being an FBI supervisor, I sort of kept my distance from becoming involved. After I retired, I became more and more involved in what's going on in the community. I became one of the ethics commissioners for Carroll County under Dick Simmons. I worked 2 years for that. I worked on a board for the Community Media Center with Marion Ware. I did 2 terms there. I became president of the Carroll County NAACP chapter for 2 terms. And work to get that nonprofit office that they're operating in at this point. So for me, my family, they've always been aware of what we do and to our attempts to get back to the community. And I try to teach them. That's why today you saw my grandchildren here. See, we're trying to point examples or set examples for them. Oftentimes, the media and what most people see of the minority community is painted from a negative perspective, and we need to show more and more of those positive images.